Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do something different, bit fun maybe. At least it's fun for me. I'm going to walk you through the one of the beautiful parks in Toronto. During the summertime it's really beautiful, but even I think winter too it's really beautiful. So I'm going to take you through this place and show you some of the beautiful snow which fell yesterday, and today is really sunny and beautiful. So I'm going to walk you through this place and show you the beautiful sceneries. So this is actually a parking lot, so and you can see this one place called Edward Gardens, and you can see all these trees have a beautiful like snow. It's so beautiful, and this is the parking lot. We are walking through the parking lot. So it's called Toronto Botanical Gardens. This place is completely different during the summer, because summertime you can see beautiful flowers. I come to this place every season, and so I thought just make a video out of this place. Okay, this tree you can see from the far away. The leaves are still there compared to all the other trees. As you know, the winter time all the leaves fall from the trees. So sometimes you can see the coyotes in this place as well. I'm not sure which time. Maybe they comes at night. So normally, yeah, you can see some. See, this snow is so beautiful. It's fallen on. Normally these are flowers. They comes back. It looks like a off limit here. No, okay, I guess I can go through. Okay, I have to turn around and go because it's off limit here. I don't know if you're hearing some birds chirping here, but during the summer, summer as I said, around this area, normally you can see a lot of butterflies here. But today, with only winter time, this is look how it looks like. Yeah, I can hear the birds So you can see some rocks here. And the path is clear. Normally they clean. And also still you can see some greenery here, see? It's not really green but looks yellow too, but they didn't, those are evergreen, type of evergreen trees, so their leaves stay during the winter. Let's see what it says. Yeah, this area, they have this special plants here. So you can still see some plant. Some of them are green. And look at this tree. Only maybe need some lights at night. It looks really beautiful. And also look at this tree. There are no leaves, but this looks beautiful. Okay, this also you can see some. Let me see. Yeah, they are still very green. So this tree called European hornbeam. See, you can. This is a botanical garden, so you can see a lot of. They written all the names of the trees or plants, whichever they are. Let's see. This is like a few of some. Every tree has name. So this, you can see some of the. They are very dry. They are not fallen yet. I don't think they're going to. Maybe they're going to fall, but it's very dry. And this side, so this tree, I have to go much farther. There is an arch here. Normally summertime you can see a lot of flowers hanging from this arch, and also a lot of summer, spring and summer flowers. You can see these empty boxes. So this is also, they do some kitchen garden. So you can see leaves. Still you can see some leaves down there. They did not clean them yet. So these plants here inside this room, I have never seen them outside. Like a type of, all these are cactus, different type of cactus. So they always, I think they need a special care and the temperature, so they don't come out. They always inside. And also I don't never been in there, so it's not really open to the public. I think maybe just also this is a educational place, so a lot of students come here to study so they must have access to that. Okay, now I'm going, yeah, there is another one like that. You can even see what is here. You can see banana, because they need a different temperature. With the cold climate here, they cannot grow outside, so they have a special temperature to grow these trees or plants. And then I'm going through this path. So the path is clear, but it's still it hills. So you really have to be careful when you walking. Okay, I'm going to show you again the other area where they have these special plants. See, people are taking pictures. It's very beautiful for pictures as well. So I'm going to walk through here because it's hard to walk on the doing the video and walking through this place. So you can see people taking pictures and walking. See, that trees looks different, and also you can see far away. Okay, this all packed with some snow. As you can see, there are still a lot of greenery. So it's a hill there, so I'm kind of going down the hill. Also, see, these trees are very old, as you can see here. It looks very old, hard, very old. And also there is a creek here. It seems the water is still, you can see water is flowing. It didn't froze actually. I don't because the temperature is still very mild, -7. That's not enough to freeze this water. So even with this, you can see it's still flowing. So now it's like a hill here because I came down halfway. Actually, most part I came down. So there is a bridge actually. This bridge closed during the winter. You can normally cross to the other side from this bridge. Normal day. So today it's closed for a winter season. And these are also for safety reasons they close because it can be very slippery, those stairs. And as you can see, people taking even this place like professional pictures. Hello. See those. These trees are very old. Especially that tree looks very old. So you can still see water. It's not frozen yet in this area. So a lot of rocks here. And I just came all the way from up there, even beyond the other side. I came from there, around I came. So during the winter, some places close because you can see yellow, just for safety reasons. And then you can see some people are walking there. Okay. And this place also you can come for a bird watching. You can, I guess, yeah. So there is another old tree. A lot of forestry here, a lot of trees. And then there is another bridge. This bridge is actually open. And you can see some water. Waterfall. I can hear the birds, but I cannot see where they are. Sometimes you capture them, but let's see if I can see. I can hear them. No, I think. So that path also closed actually, but you can see it. I just go closer here because this looks really beautiful here. Okay. Here also closed. They'll go up there normally. See how beautiful it is. Normally I go through that path during the summer and then go around. So today, since it's closed there, so I'll be going through this bridge. But it's open this side at least, otherwise there is no way to get to the other side. So have to be careful. It could be slippery here. So you can see from here, it's really beautiful. Hi. So you can see. This is a huge place. I will be doing about maybe 1 hour of videoing and then I'll just walk around after that. And also you can go up there where I'm showing you. That side they have a educational area where they plant different type of like vegetables and different things, flower, not really flowers, they do other side, mostly the vegetable and stuff they plant that area. So you have to go up there. Normally I go up there, but I don't know if it's open to go because of the slippery conditions. So you can see that tree, it's still, leaves are there because those are evergreen. And you can see some squirrels. Okay, have to be careful in the pathway, it's a bit slippery. So this is how it looks like during the winter, this park. Later when the spring and the summer, every season this place looks different. Even the flowers, you can see, I have posted previously some pictures, so you can see those flowers even different every season. So because the color changes from the trees, plants. So it's less people here today. Normally there are a lot of people. I guess mostly the people who really love the nature, they are the ones here today because The snow fell last night, so I don't think a lot of people wants to even come out of the house unless they have to go to work. So there's another little bridge crossing to the other side. I might as well go. And then actually this path is open, but you cannot see it's easy to go, but coming back might be hard. So it can be very slippery. So I don't think I really want to go there, and especially coming back will be very hard. So going other way. So there is another bridge, and you can see. You can hear kids playing outside. There is a school close by. So there is another little bridge. This is not so deep or anything, but to cross to the other side. So this one called Wilcott Creek Park. This is people have access to, whoever comes to the Edward Gardens, they also have access to this area. And then there is another bridge, you can see here. So I think I'm going past that bridge as well. So that creek comes this way. So I won't be going too closer, could be slippery. And it keeps going.
explici după ce a căzut Constanța.
So I think this area is beautiful. Again, I will go a bit closer to the creek. So all area is filled with snow. See, again you can see some evergreen trees. They still have leaves here. You can see some people walking there. Okay, this area is more safer to go closer. There are these rocks. So you can see. So I came from this way, right here. So going more closer. This is very shallow. It's not too. It's not deep. Some areas are deep. So here, very shallow and mostly the rocks and stuff here. But it could be dangerous maybe during the summer or rainy season or also when springtime, when the snow starting to melt. Okay, so I think I'm turning around and going back. Okay, this tree looks very new, like you can see. So this is for mainly for people who like the nature. I don't think some people might not really be interested in the snow audio video, but for people who like nature, who likes to see different things, it's a beautiful. Look at that blue color in the sky. One spot there. You can see that. Okay, I'm going back, but still there are some. I can take the video from this side. says Edward Gardens, Central Dawn. It's a part of the Edward Gardens. So I'm going from this way. The path is clear. They do the day, I think, maintenance this place very well, because a lot of people comes to this place. Even though I didn't see that many people today, but normally a lot of people, especially fall, they comes to take pictures. Okay, there are some squirrels fighting or playing around. So you see, yeah, see over there. Two of them on the tree, and then some running around. So I'm not going to take all the way up there because other side there is a school, so I don't want to post things with the children there. So there is another bridge. Let's see if I can. So there is another bridge. This takes me to the parking lot where I came from. But after I finish video, I will walk around and yeah, this bridge is bit slippery. As you can see down the creek, it's not much water. I don't know if you can see. Can't. Okay, here. So below that's creek. Not much water. See, I walk through all that area to the back and came back. Yeah, this takes me to the parking lot again. So I will continue walking around a little bit. And finishing this video here. Thank you everyone for watching. You have a good day.